History. Tige Boats, founded by Charles Pigeon in 1991, has a rich history in the world of watercraft. Pigeon's vision was to create high-performance inboard boats that delivered exceptional wakeboarding and wakesurfing experiences. From its humble beginnings, the company quickly gained recognition for its innovative approach to boat design and manufacturing. Best inventions. Tige Boats has been a trailblazer in introducing cutting-edge innovations to the marine industry. The patented Convex V Hull revolutionized wake performance, providing a surfable wave on both sides of the boat. The TAPS 3 system, another groundbreaking invention, allows users to fine-tune the boat's wake and wakeboard wakes at the touch of a button. These innovations have set Tige apart as a leader in the watersports boat market. Recent developments. In recent years, Tige Boats has continued to push boundaries with advancements in technology and design. Integration of smart technologies for navigation, entertainment, and connectivity has become a hallmark of their newer models. The company's commitment to sustainability is reflected in the use of eco-friendly materials and fuel-efficient engines, aligning with evolving industry standards. Current status. As of January 2024, Tige Boats remains a prominent player in the watersports boat industry. Their commitment to quality, performance, and innovation has garnered a dedicated customer base.